The FPV battery balance connector is not easy to break, so almost no one will pay much attention to this little accessory. But if it is damaged, you are not able to charge the whole battery at all. Welcome to MEPS-FPV tips. Today we are going to talk about how to replace the battery balance connector. When you find the balance connector damaged, you can take one from your scrapped battery to replace the damaged one. Use tweezers to remove the connector and replace it. But there are a few things you need to pay attention to when replacing. The first thing is to be careful that the wires cannot touch each other. Not only can the red wire not touch the black wire, but also black wires cannot touch each other, because the black wires are not all negative electrode, but are connected to the negative electrode of the previous battery cell and the positive electrode at the same time. Once they are connected, they will also cause a short circuit, which is very dangerous, so it is best to wrap each wire with tape after removing from the connector. The next thing to know that the sequence of the wires connected to the balance connector is fixed. It is best to remove one and then install it into a new connector immediately. Otherwise, it will be easy to get confused. If you do not install it in order, the voltage of the connector will be too high. At this time, insert the charger and error will occur. Better to use a multimeter to measure the voltage. The voltage between the red line and the first black line is about 4 volts, to the second line is about 8 volts, third line is about 12 volts, fourth line is about 16 volts. That's about all you need to pay attention to when replacing the balance connector. You will get the nice battery of the replacement. Wish you happy flying!